Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have some goodies to show you that I got in the mail, and you know I gotta share because why not, right? That should be like my thing, like why not? But yeah, I want to show you guys what I got in the mail because you guys are freaking amazing, and I can literally say anything on my Instagram. I can just say looking for yellow tape, and all my crafty girls come to the rescue. It's like that amazing. This community inspires me so much. As much as you guys say that I inspire you, you guys inspire me to like just be the best that I can be. Like, you guys make me so happy. It's just unbelievable, and it's just been an amazing week for me. It just really has, and I have like awesome news that I can't wait to share with you guys next week. But you know, all in time. So I got this super sweet flip book. This is what it looks like. And she's a new pen pal. Let's fix this. She's a new pen pal, and she doesn't really do crafting. She's more like the official pen pals. And you guys, she made me a little special project, and I feel so special, and I love it. I think she did an amazing job. It's so cute. And you guys, wait till you see this little gadget. It's like the cutest. I'm gonna definitely have to like crafty steal this because this is a super cute idea. So when you open it this way, it has like the little cute sticker, the little rosette. Then you open it like this, and then she does a lot of that writing, which is beautiful. I love that. I would totally suck at that because I write like a total dude. I could never write a romantic letter. I have to type it up because you would not think that that's coming from a girl. You would definitely think that's coming from a dude. I think my wife has a better writing than I do. And like, if you put our writings together, you would totally think that like, oh yeah, that's Lily and that's her. No. No, ma'am. And I, you know, our secret, I passed that on to my daughter because she writes like a boy. And yeah. So she gave me these cute little tags. Look how cute. Little V-Day tags. A little piece of acetate with the little rainbow hearts. Cute. I love me a rainbow. And then over here she put some cute little ephemera pieces. Isn't that cute? I like this. I think these are the ones from Michael that I didn't get. Are they stickers? Oh my god, they're stickers. And look at these. These are all brads, you guys. Heart brads. Aren't they cute? Yes, my darling. And then in here, she put a bunch of little mini envelopes. Look how cute these are. I actually want to purchase the We Are Memory Keepers, the mini envelope. I want to get that one, but it's like sold out everywhere. There's a little typewriter right here. Does anybody know where these little googly eyes with the hearts inside are from? Because I never found them. And I think they're cool. Not that I want you to get them for me. Just tell me where you got them. And then in here, she put a cute little note. I love the little doily and the little writing that she put. Read me. Super cute. There's some washi samples in the back. But you guys, this is the cool thing. Look. Ta-da! It flips over to the other side and there's more. Look, we got some cute little heart garland and some mail tag, and it's her asking me some questions that I'll be answering in my response to her. And here's some Project Life cards, some super cute llama stickers, and yeah, that's the little flip book that she sent me. Isn't that the cutest, you guys? I love it. I love new pen pals, and I love these little fresh ideas like that I can just give my own twist to. I love it so much. So I got that. And then you guys, I don't know if you know, but I don't have a Hobby Lobby near me. It's literally like an hour away, and like, who has time to be traveling that far? I get the whole clearance sale thing, but I don't have that time to be going an hour away and then it's an hour back, because you got to count both ways. So when it's just an hour away, it's like, oh, it's just an hour trip. What, are you staying over there? Because you got to come back. It's 2 hours of traffic, and no. For some like 50 cents clips or something like that, I don't have the time for it. So I take the loss when I can't go somewhere and I'm like, damn, I missed that sale. Sometimes you gotta, you know, take the L. Not the yell, take the L. And just like, you know what? You missed out on that sale, but you'll probably pick up one in Michael's. So I was drooling over all the sales on Hobby Lobby, on Instagram, and on YouTube. And I was just like, wow. But I did have a few of my friends that were like, I picked this up for you. I bought, you know, off these stashes and stuff like that. So I did get a few things. But you guys, this was my main thing that I wanted, were these Valentine paper craft bags. And I couldn't find them. They were sold out online, because some of the things I did try to pick up online, but these were sold out. And I was just so sad that I had to put an Instagram post and say, does anybody want to get rid of this or can find it for me? I'll PayPal you like right now. And I did get a few. I got a few people sending me. So now I have like 4 packs coming. And I'm excited about that. So this girl right here, this little friend of mine, is such a sweetie pie. And I'm going to put her Instagram down below, because you guys need to go say hello. Like, I always tell you guys to say hello to my crafty friends. But her name is Samantha. And she sent me a DM to send me the bags. And you guys, she sent me all this stuff. I was just expecting the bags. Like, how amazing is she? This is super sweet, and I can't believe she did that. She sent me some gold clips. She sent me these. Look how cute. It says, love this. There's some stripes. Another gold one. These are so cute. Look at these coffee cups. These little gemstones. You guys know that I love me some doilies. She sent me this die cuts, like it looks like a doily, but it's like all different patterns. Look at this. We gotta open this. We gotta see. We gotta see what we got here. Oh my God! Look at the gold. Like the army, the stripes. I love me some stripes. Ooh, like the wood paneling. I love polka dots too. Plaid too. I might as well say I love them all, right? I like that. Look at that. Look at those polka dots. Oh my God. If the lighting is bad, I am so sorry. I swear, Mother Nature needs to get it together. She needs to get it together. Look at these florals. And then like the animal print. Oh my God, these are so cute. I love them so much. I cannot wait to play with them. You guys, I love doilies. I'm not kidding. I'm going to show you guys something. Do you guys see this? Look at this. And this is not even the ones that I bought the other day, are still in bags. I love doilies. I could never have enough. She sent me some little like die cut flags, I think this is. Like chipboard. Yeah, they're like little chipboard. Did I not fix the freaking... There you go. You guys are looking at blurriness. They're little chipboard flags. Oh, so cute. So cute. She sent me stickers. I got pineapple, strawberries, and watermelon. Look at that. Oh, look. Let me show you like this, because I don't know what my focus was on before, but... And then she sent me some of these little ornate shape die cuts. These are so cute. I would so punch a hole and make it like a tag. Put a sticker on it, embellish it. She sent me some of these little wood feathers. I would totally paint these pink. And she sent me some clips that say hello, love. Oh my God. I feel so grateful for all my friends and appreciative of everything that they do, and you know, just how sweet they are. They're just super sweet. Like, I'm pretty sure, as in any community, somewhere in this community there's a dark side, but we ain't going over there. We're gonna stay over here on the light side, the pink side, the mint green side. But because I've had nothing but good things to say about this community. Like, I've made so many friends, so many pen pals, and I've come such a long way in just 1 year. that I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Happy Mail, crafting, I live for it. I'm here for all of it. So yeah, you guys, that is my little mini haul. And what else did I want to show you guys? Oh, I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but did you guys see that I made a shadow box? How cute did this turn out? I want to do one with you guys, but I need another box because this was a Victoria's Secret box that my mom sent me with a gift for Valentine's Day. But I don't have one, so I'm going to have to go to Michael's and pick up another shadow box and then maybe make one with you. My friend Solange makes a bunch of these, and she's the one that inspired me to create one. So when I saw this box, I was like, yes, I know what you're going to become right after I take that sweet and sexy perfume set out of there. And look how it turned out. Isn't it cute? And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to make this for somebody. And then I'm like, yep, nope, I'm keeping it. Who does that? Who does that? I know I'm not alone. But yeah, you guys, I'm going to get out of your hair. And I'm going to go to Dollar Tree. Because it's Friday. And what do you do on Fridays? Well, I don't do anything, but I'm going to Dollar Tree and possibly go to visit Michael. Because me and Michael, we have a thing on Fridays. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys for showing so much love. You guys put the only Kool-Aid smile on my face every time I open up my YouTube channel. You guys don't even know. But I have a giveaway video coming up. And I hope you guys get excited about it. Because it's happening. And I was thinking that maybe, trying to think what I should do. I was thinking that in my next giveaway, instead of giving away a prize, I would give away the winner a $50 gift card to scrapbook.com. What do you guys think about that? If you guys like that, let me know down below, and I'll definitely do that as a giveaway prize. So I think I'm going to do $50 on my YouTube and then $50 on my Instagram. So you guys have a chance to kind of like join the giveaway 2 times. You'll have 2 chances. So let me know. And yeah, don't forget to hit that bell so you can see when I upload my next video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Let me just shut up.